Number 3 is Sovol 3D IDEX 3D printer. When bringing your favorite anime characters to life, the Sovol 3D SV04 IDEX 3D printer is ideal. Its advanced features and exceptional performance make it a dream machine for anime enthusiasts and creators alike. Featuring independent dual direct drive metal extruders, the SV04 allows you to print 2 different colors, materials, or models simultaneously. Whether you want vibrant multicolored characters or intricate designs with varying textures, this printer delivers stunning results. It supports many materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, PA, wood, ASA, and PVA, providing endless possibilities for your anime creations. Equipped with auto-leveling functionality and a 32-bit TMC2209 silent board, the SV04 guarantees optimal bed adhesion and print quality while operating quietly. The flexible spring steel plate ensures easy print removal without tools, preventing deformation and failed prints. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.